I'm going to share with you the first 3 reasons why your brand should be selling on Amazon. First, did you know that 85% of all product searches begin on Amazon? Number 2, when you sell your brand on Amazon, they're going to help you get listed on the first page of Google. The third reason is there are 112 million Amazon Prime members alone. Those eyeballs need to be on your brand. Hello everybody, it's Theo Prodromitis, and I'm so excited to talk to you today about our upcoming Amazon Masterclass. I'm a very successful Amazon seller, and I want to share my secrets with you. Now let's talk a little bit about the course that we're going to be offering. It's a 6-week immersion course, step by step. How to sell on Amazon, how to represent yourself well, how to take advantage of the brand registry. We're going to share the inside tips, proven techniques, and things that I have learned being an Amazon seller. Next, let's talk about what results you're going to get. Number 1, you're going to improve your brand integrity and increase brand awareness. The second is that you're going to increase your sales exponentially because you're going to have access to millions and millions of customers. And third, you're going to reach customers that you may not have been reaching before. So those 3 reasons, exponential growth for you, the results that you're going to get with the Amazon Masterclass. A little bit about me. I've been a seller for 6 years. I love my Amazon business. I've had the great benefit to be invited to the Amazon headquarters in Seattle as a guest speaker. I've spoken at the Amazon FBA Boost conference, and I'm part of the beta program. Had the opportunity also to be featured in some national publications, USA Today, Tampa Times, Business Insider, and I want to take all those strategies and share them with you. We hope that you'll join us for the journey. If you click the link below to join our Amazon Masterclass, and of course, click to subscribe to our channel. Thanks, and we'll see you there.